Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Blanca Stella, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. In today's video, I'm going to be doing this easy glam look for St. Patrick's Day, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with my 35B palette, and I'm going to be using this first shade to set my eyelid. I did use concealer as a primer, so I'm just going to apply this to both eyelids to set that primer down. Now I'm going to grab this yellow shade right here, and this is going to be my transition shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my crease first. And I am going to be going darker and darker just to start building up that crease. Now I'm going to start bringing some definition to the crease by applying this light green shade first, and I'm only going to focus this on the crease first. And then I'm going to grab a darker green shade and start defining it even more. So now I'm going to grab this darker shade and I'm going to put this in the crease, but I'm also going to put it on the outer V of the eye just to smoke it out a little bit. Now I'm going to grab the same yellow shade again, and I'm going to use this to blend out the green shades that I already put on my crease. And then once you have it to the darkest that you want, now we can move on to the fun part. And I'm going to be grabbing my NYX glitter primer, and then I'm also going to be grabbing a flat brush, and I'm going to be applying this glitter primer all over my lid because I am going to be applying some glitter to my lids. And then for glitter, I'm going to be using my Splash of Glitter 2 palette by Beauty Creations, and I'm going to be grabbing this green shade right here in the corner with the flat brush, and I'm going to be applying this all over the lid because it's green, so it's St. Patrick's Day, so hello. And then I felt like the brush wasn't really packing on the glitter that well, so I just went ahead and I used my finger to pack it on the lid, and then I used the brush later to move it around and fix it. Now I'm going to grab my pencil brush, and this one is by Clean Color, and I'm going to dip into that green shade again, and I'm going to put that right on top of the glitter just to blend it out with the crease and make everything look really nice and clean. Now I'm going to grab some more of that yellow shade, and I'm going to put that right on top of that green one just to blend everything else and to bring that yellow back because I felt like it faded away with all the blending. And then I popped on my Iikonn lashes in the style Bugatti, which I think went perfect with this look. And then I'm going to be grabbing another Clean Color pencil brush, and I'm going to be grabbing this yellow shade, and I'm going to be starting to smoke on my bottom lash. So I'm just going to put that all over the bottom lash. And then with the same pencil brush, I'm going to be mixing these two green colors, and I'm going to be putting that on top of the yellow shade just to give it a little bit more definition. And then in my waterline, I'm going to be using my Hard Candy Stroke of Gorgeous eyeliner pencil in the shade Kryptonite, which I think went perfect with this eye look. It made it pop even more. And then for mascara today, I'm going to be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm going to be using this to coat my bottom lashes, but I'm also going to use it to help blend in my fake lashes with my real eyelashes. And then I did do my face makeup before the video, but I'm going to go ahead and finish up right now. And I'm going to be getting my Blush to Coat palette by AZEREDO Cosmetics, and I'm going to be grabbing this blush right here, and I'm going to be applying that to my chickies just to give it a little bit of color. And then I'm going to be grabbing my Photo Strip highlighting palette by Smashbox, and I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here, and I'm going to be using this to highlight my face. And then I did want my highlight to pop even more, so I mixed these two as well, and I just put that on top of the places that I already highlighted. And then for lipstick, I'm going to be grabbing my AOA Studio Wonder Metal metallic lipstick in the shade OMG, and I'm going to put that all over my lips first. And then on top of that, I'm going to be applying my Milani Amore Matte metallic lip cream in the shade Pure Matteness. I just thought that this lip combination went really good with the eye look. And then last but not least, I'm going to be mixing these two highlighters, and I'm going to be using this to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone, just to finish up with this look. And this is the final look right here. I love how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.